In this video, let's see about the structure of chromosome. The chromosomes are thin, long and thread-like structure consisting of two identical sister chromatids. Two identical sister chromatids. They are held together by centromere. Each chromatid is made up of spirally coiled thin structure called chromonema. The chromonema has number of bead-like structure along its length, which are called chromomeres. The chromosomes are made up of DNA, RNA, chromosomal proteins and certain metallic ions. These chromosomal proteins are histones and non-histones. These proteins provide structural support to the chromosome. Let's see the regions of the chromosomes. Chromosome has primary construction, secondary construction, telomere and satellite. Primary construction or centromere is the region where spindle fibers attach to the chromosome during cell division. The two arms of the chromosome meet at this point, so that it is known as primary construction. Chromosome possess secondary construction. At any point of the chromosome, they are known as the nuclear zone or the nucleolar organizer, or the formation of nucleolus in the nucleus. Telomeres are the end of the chromosomes. Telomere are the end of the chromosome. And satellite. Some of the chromosome possess this knob-like structure that is known as satellite. If the chromosome has satellite means that is known as sat chromosome. Types of chromosomes. Based on the structure and based on the function, we can divide the chromosome into different types. Based on the structure, especially based on the presence of centromere, and based on the function. Based on the presence of centromere, it is categorized into four. They are telocentric, acrocentric, submetacentric, and metacentric. This is nothing but the position of the centromere separates the chromosome into different types. Telocentric. Here in this case, the centromere is present at the tip of the chromosome. The centromere is found at the one end of the chromosome. One arm is too short and the another arm is too long. Then that is known as acrocentric. If the centromere is found near the center of the chromosome, is known as submetacentric. If the centromere is present at the center of the chromosome, the centromere divides the chromosome into two equal arms, otherwise which creates V-shaped chromosomes. Here telocentric creates I-shaped, and then submetacentric create L-shaped or J-shaped, L or J. Acrocentric also create I. Based on the presence of centromere, we can categorize chromosome into telocentric, acrocentric, submetacentric and metacentric chromosomes. And based on the function, it is divided into two types. They are autosomes and allosomes. Autosomes and allosomes. Autosomes are nothing but the body chromosomes or somatic chromosomes, which are present in both male and female in equal numbers. Allosomes are the chromosomes which are responsible for determining the sex of the individual. They are called as sex chromosomes or heterochromosomes. There are two types of chromosomes. Allosomes are of two types again. They are X type and Y type. In the case of male, one X type and one Y type is present. In the case of female, both the chromosomes are